Do you often suffer from night cramps, tingling feet like ants crawling, or constantly cold toes even when it's hot? Don't ignore these very subtle warning signs. This isn't just muscle fatigue from a long day. It is actually a desperate cry for help from your complex circulatory system. Pay very close attention right now. If blood cannot reach your feet, your tissues are literally dying slowly. This is a silent danger that most people unfortunately choose to ignore until it's late. Today, I will help you take control. We are going to perform a simple 30-second test together to check your vascular health right here and right now. This is something most people simply don't know about their own bodies. Follow along carefully, because what you find might actually save your mobility in the future. Many people think numb legs mean they just need more calcium, so they keep taking supplements. But the truth is often much more mechanical than a deficiency. In 80% of cases, the real issue lies in the one-way valves inside your veins. If they leak, blood pools down instead of moving back up. Vitamins won't help if your internal plumbing is clogged or broken. You need a physical solution to move that stagnant blood and clear out the system properly. You have a second heart, and it's located right in your calves. When you walk, this muscle pumps blood upward, fighting gravity with every single strong step. If this second heart is weak or inactive, your circulation fails. We need to reactivate this vital pump to ensure your blood keeps moving as it should. Don't skip a single second of this video. By the end, you will have the exact tools to jumpstart your circulation and feel a brand new energy. Imagine your legs feeling light and warm again. No more heavy weights dragging you down. We are going to achieve that today with 3 simple movements. With these 3 opening valve exercises, you will feel a warm rush of blood flowing to your toes after just the very first session you complete today. Later on, I will reveal a secret temperature hack that expands your blood vessels instantly. It requires 0 movement, but delivers incredible results for your leg health. But first, we must find out where you stand. Are your legs healthy, or are they at risk? Let's start our critical 30-second circulation test right now. Lie down flat on your back on a comfortable surface. Make sure your body is relaxed and your breathing is steady before we begin the movement. Now, raise both of your legs straight up into the air. Keep them as vertical as possible and hold this position for exactly 30 seconds without moving. Watch the color of your feet very closely. Gravity is now pulling the blood away. In a healthy body, your feet should still maintain a pinkish glow. If your feet turn pale white or grayish within these 30 seconds, your circulation is in a state of alarm. Your heart is struggling to pump downward. Did you fail the test? If so, do not panic. This is your wake-up call. We are going to fix this together, starting with exercise number 1. Exercise 1 is called ankle pumps, or what I like to call pedaling the air. It is the simplest yet most effective way to engage your calves. By moving your ankles, you're physically squeezing the veins in your lower legs. This force pushes stagnant blood back toward your heart against the gravity. Push your toes away as far as they can go, like pressing a gas pedal. Then, pull them back toward your shins until you feel a stretch. Perform this rhythmic movement 20 times. Don't rush it. Feel the contraction in your calf muscles with every single repetition you do. It's working. Here is a pro tip. Don't just move your feet. Aim for that slight burning sensation in the calf. That is the sound of your pump activating. You can even do this while sitting at your desk or watching TV. It prevents dangerous blood clots and keeps the fluid from pooling around ankles. Notice how the heaviness starts to disappear. This is the foundation of leg health. But we need to open the main gate next. Follow me carefully. Now, let's move to exercise number 2, the hip opener. This is crucial because your largest arteries pass right through your groin area like a highway. When you sit for too long, your hips are bent, which kinks these arteries like a garden hose. This stops the life-giving blood from reaching legs. Stand tall, hold a chair for balance, and lift one knee. Rotate your hip in a wide, slow circle from the inside to the outside smoothly. Perform 10 circles on each side. Imagine you're drawing a perfect circle with your knee. This motion releases the pressure on your femoral artery immediately. Listen closely. Do you hear a popping or clicking sound in your hip? If so, don't worry. I have a very important note about that later. By opening the gate at your hips, you allow a massive surge of oxygenated blood to flow down. This is the secret to warm, happy feet. Keep your upper body still and let the movement come purely from the hip socket. You're unlocking years of tension and stagnation with every turn. We are now reaching the golden exercise. This is the most powerful technique in the entire routine. Get ready for the ultimate gravity-assisted recovery move. This is called the legs up the wall pose. Sit sideways close to a wall, then swing your legs up while lying back down flat. Your body should form an L shape. This position uses the most powerful force on Earth, gravity, to drain all the metabolic waste out of your lower legs. Stay here for 2 to 5 minutes. Breathe deeply into your belly. This tells your nervous system to relax and opens up your vessels even further. My pro tip: place a small pillow under your hips. Raising your pelvis slightly higher than your heart makes the blood return even faster and more efficiently. This move is like a reset button for your legs. It cures swelling, eases varicose vein pain, and helps you sleep like a baby tonight. Now for that secret temperature hack I promised. If your feet are always cold, don't just put on socks. That only traps the cold inside. Instead, soak your feet in 40 degrees Celsius water with salt and ginger for 10 minutes. This heat creates a massive vasodilation effect throughout your body. When you combine this heat with the legs up the wall exercise, you create a powerful thermal pump that revitalizes every single cell in your feet. And about that clicking sound in your hip? Most of the time, it's just harmless gas escaping the joint. As long as there's no pain, keep moving. Simply reduce the size of your circles if it bothers you. The goal is consistent motion, not perfection. Your body will adapt and become much smoother. Your legs are the roots of your body. If the roots are healthy, the whole tree thrives. Take care of them, and they will support you. These 3 exercises don't cost a single cent, but they can save you thousands in medical bills and keep you out of the hospital later. Please share this video with a friend who always complains about leg pain. Let's build a community that stays strong, mobile, and active without crutches. Subscribe to join us for more life-changing health tips. Your journey to a pain-free life starts with one small step today. Don't wait any longer. Thank you for watching. Now, stand up and get that blood moving. I will see you in the next video for more health secrets. Goodbye. Every second you spend moving is a second you spend healing. Oxygen is the fuel of life, and your blood is the ultimate delivery truck. Even small movements like calf raises while you wait for coffee can make a massive difference in your daily vascular health and energy levels. Self-massage is another great way to assist the valves. Always stroke upward toward the heart to help the blood find its way home effectively. Time is of the essence when it comes to circulation. The longer blood stays stagnant, the more damage it causes to your delicate vessel walls. Learn to listen to your body's silent signals. A cold toe is a message. A heavy calf is a warning. Don't let them go unheard. Hydration is also key. Thick blood is harder to pump. Drink plenty of water to keep your life stream flowing smoothly through your entire body system. If you must stand all day, consider quality compression. It provides that extra squeeze your second heart might need during those long, grueling work hours. Every morning is a chance to restart your circulation. Start with the ankle pumps before you even get out of bed for the best results. The patterns of nature are reflected in our own bodies. Flow is life. Stagnation is decay. Choose to be a flowing river, not a pond. Consistency is the only secret ingredient. Do these 3 moves daily and watch your life transform as your mobility and comfort levels skyrocket upward. When your vessels relax, your blood pressure often stabilizes too. It is a beautiful chain reaction of health that starts right at your feet, so you don't need a gym to be healthy. Your own body is the most advanced pharmacy and fitness center ever created by Mother Nature herself. The joy of movement is something we often take for granted until it's gone. Let's reclaim that joy together, starting with these simple steps today. Health is not a destination. It's a daily practice. These exercises are your commitment to yourself, a promise of a better, more mobile future. Remember, what's good for your legs is excellent for your heart. By helping your legs pump, you're giving your heart a much-needed break. Stay healthy so you can be there for the ones you love. Your mobility is your independence. Don't let poor circulation steal your precious time. One small movement today creates a ripple effect of health that lasts for years. Start small, but start today. You deserve to feel great. Listen to the rhythm of your own breath. Let it guide your movements. Exercise should be a conversation with your body, not a loud shout. Every heartbeat is a gift. Every movement is a celebration. Make the most of both by taking these 3 simple steps for your vascular health. You have the power to change your health trajectory. It starts with the 30-second test and continues with the dedication you show every single morning. Say goodbye to that heavy, lead-like feeling in your legs. Say hello to lightness, warmth, and the freedom to walk wherever your heart desires. Be grateful for what your body can do today. Even if you failed the test, the fact that you can move is a wonderful beginning. Imagine walking on the beach with no pain, feeling the sand between your toes and the warmth of the sun on your revitalized, healthy skin. Your internal map is vast and complex. By focusing on the legs, you're maintaining the most critical highways of your entire biological city. Keep your legs elevated whenever you can. Even a small stool under your feet while reading helps reduce the daily strain on your leg valves. Small habits add up. Warm water, gentle stretches, and a positive mindset are the ultimate recipe for a long life and healthy, strong legs. Don't be afraid of the work. The effort you put in today is an investment in your 80-year-old self. They will thank you for this. You don't need to sweat to heal. These movements are gentle, but their impact is profound. Focus on the quality of every single rotation you perform. My confidence comes from knowing you're taking care of yourself. Look in the mirror and be proud of the steps you're taking today. Life is meant to be lived in motion. Don't let your legs hold you back from playing with your grandkids or your favorite furry friends. Remember that ginger soak. It's an ancient remedy for a modern problem. Use the wisdom of the past to fix the health of your future. After your soak, dry your feet thoroughly and notice how much warmer they feel. This isn't magic. It's science and circulation working in perfect harmony. A good night's sleep is guaranteed when your legs aren't cramping or throbbing. Give yourself the gift of a restful, deep, and painless slumber tonight. Knowledge is power, but shared knowledge is a community. Tell your family about the second heart. It might be the best advice they ever receive. Your heart has a partner in your calves. Keep them both strong, and you will have a long, healthy life full of wonderful, active adventures. The 30-second test was just the beginning. Your journey to perfect circulation is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep moving forward with total confidence. Every step you take is a testament to your health. Make every step count by keeping your circulation at its absolute peak every single day. Ankle pumps, hip openers, and legs up the wall. 3 simple moves, 1 incredible result. This is your blueprint for lasting leg health and vitality. You have the time. You have the knowledge. Now all you need is the action. Your legs are waiting for you to start their revival. Thanks for joining me today. Take care of those feet, and they will take you anywhere you want to go. I'll see you very soon.